So hello friends, I am Alish and again welcome you to my YouTube channel Aruja. So friends, today we are going to grow four vegetables. Okay, number one is bhindi or okra, and English it is known as ladyfinger. And number two is the soya, and number three is pumpkin, and number four is the capsicum seeds that we have collected yesterday. Okay, the pots we are going to use here is this three pots. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, the potting mix is, friends, the material that we are going to use to make potting mix is the normal garden soil. Number two is ash and half burned hash. Okay, you can get it from any cattle farm or any um, cow farm there. Okay, so let's get started. We are going to make the potting mix now. For making the potting mix, first of all we will take our pot. So friends, we have taken a normal cotton cloth and we have just make it two side. Okay, and we will put at the bottom where a hole is there. Okay, and then at the hole you will put it and add the potting mix. Before adding, we should ready it. We will take half burnt hash first. Okay, half burnt hash and the ash that you are having with little bit of coal. If you have coal is an important source of carbon, you can add it. This is optional. Now we are going to add the normal garden soil. So it is for this pot, the small one, and now we are mixing it. You can see a little bit of dull color potting mix is ready, and this is the best potting mix that you can make at your home very easily, like I have done today. Okay, so now we will fill the potting mix. If you don't want to fill it till the up, you can remove little bit of potting mix and then make a level soil, and then first we should grow capsicum. Yesterday friends, we have added a capsicum video. You should watch it. The link will be in description. Kindly watch it. So now as you can see friends, these are the seeds. So friends, these were the seeds at the side. Now we are going to make distance by our fingers from each seed. So now it's done friends, and now we are going to add little bit of hash, half burnt again, and then again little bit of ash. Friends, if you don't have antifungal powder, you can use ash. It is the best source of antifungal powder, and some organic antifungal powder that you buy are all mostly made from ash only. So now we are going to water it. Friends, while doing this, you just need half mug of water for all the activities that we are going to do today. and we are taking water in our hands and we are going to sprinkle it by our hand only, as it is the best. And if you see these seeds like this, I am able to see, you can add little bit of potting mix, or you can even add the garden soil. The garden soil you can use is normal garden soil. It can be the old soil from the pot. So now that was the first of capsicum, so we are proceeding to the another. Friends, this is the next pot. As you can see, there are two holes, so I have taken the old muslin cloth of the sari. In this also we are going to use the same pot mix that we have added to the capsicum, and as you can see our potting mix is ready. But friends, we are going to grow the pumpkin. In that you should add little bit of ash more to the potting mix, because if it will get fungus, the seeds will be spoiled and you will not get the success. So add little bit of more ash to the soil. If you don't have ash, you can also use the antifungal powder. Okay friends, before proceeding, I would like to tell you about the app, that is DU Cooler. Friends, I personally use it. While watching this video, your battery would drain, so that is the problem, that why you don't watch our videos. Okay, so what you can do, just download it, and there is a auto clean feature of that. That is my most favorite feature. The all the files that you have not used for more than 30 days, it will show you and you can select it and just delete it. So friends, that was a short promotion, that was not paid. Okay, I was just sharing that. Okay, so now I have taken the potting mix. Try to make the potting mix more soft, because as you know, the soft soil allow more air to pass on into and make the soil porous. And as you can see friends, this is filled, and this is the mindi seeds or okra. Okay, lady finger. So we are just adding these seeds. Friends, if you do this step of sprouting it correctly, then friends, you can even get the result in one day. Yes friends, in one day. If you sprout the seed completely, then you can get the result just in one day. Okay, so I am again adding the potting mix as a protection cover to the seeds. Friends, if you grow big seeds like avocado, mango and all other, then you can do another step, like just peeling your protection cover and then sprout it and grow. That is the best way to grow it, because after sprouting they just grow in 5 days. Yes, in 5 days. So this was the another one. I'm moving it and have a biggest spot at the side, and now we are going to take the cloth for it. So friends, these are the seeds. Okay, and now we are going to add it. As you can see, I am not making that complete potting mix, just I'm adding it at different levels, and adding it different levels prevents the collapsing of nutrients from the soil. And friends, for adding ash, you can make the second level of this, As you can see friends, I am filling it very fastly so that this video cannot get more longer, because it's about more than 10 minutes. And now I am saving a little bit of ash for adding it from the top. For growing pumpkin friends, it's not important to grow and make entire potting mix for it. You can just add it at different levels. This can be the best solution if you don't want to make potting mix. And friends, ash also prevents the uh, collapsing of water level in the soil. I have also made a uh, compost pit, and friends, in that I have added mostly ash on. Okay, as you know that ash is also available in normal areas, like you make a fire camp, then you can also get ash from that and coal. I have now added little bit of ash to the soil, and now I'm just taking the seeds and just adding it, and just adding it. Okay, now it's done friends, and now we are adding the final potting mix at the top for protection of the seeds. And now friends, it's done. I'm just adding the final soil to it, and now I'm watering it. So now friends, uh, for soil, that's the final. Okay, we are adding it to this pot. Okay, just sprinkling it at different levels like this. And friends, I'm just adding the normal garden soil from top, and now it's done. And now I'm adding water with little bit of ash, because it will prevent the fungus into the soil. Okay friends, this was the today's video. Friends, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, ask in comment box. And also friends, I would like to show you the result of the tomato seeds that we have bring here. So friends, this is the result. As you can see, it is just 5 days old, and many more seeds are sprouting and just growing on. At there is a giant orange that we have grown here. Okay, at this side we have grown soya, that in this today video, and there are some tomato here. And friends, at this side there are some moong or the some lentils. Okay, and these are the pots that we have today, and these are for today. Friends, thanks for watching. Be with me. I will be in the another video. Like, share, and subscribe my channel.